We'll make a flower dance using static electricity. Here's what we need. A ruler, markers, a piece of tissue paper, scissors, and clay. I made a flower pot with this clay. Let's get started. Be very careful not to rip the tissue paper. Now, we need to cut out our flower. Hello, I'm a beautiful flower. Let's take off the back piece of tissue paper. Be careful. There we go. Ta-da! And now, I'll plant the flower. In you go. Aw, our flower is sad. Let's use static electricity to cheer it up.